So I had my wife do some testing on her iPad with her LinkedIn account, and she got her account shut down. She is quite perturbed with me because of that. But this is the testing that she was doing. I'm going to demonstrate it on the iPad, but it's pretty much the same thing. She went to My Network, which, by the way, she does not have a My Network icon. She has to go to under Notifications, and under Notifications, she has Invitations. Whereas on my iPad and on my iPhone, I get to both of those through My Network. Now, under My Network, this is what she did. She went to the People You May Know section, and she was scrolling through that. I had her look for the People You May Know in Greensboro, which is right down here. And when you view it here, it doesn't seem to be a problem because you can only scroll up and down. You can't see a whole lot. But if you click on someone's name there, it brings up what I'm going to refer to as a mini profile. And you can scroll left and right and view these mini profiles. What happened to her is that as she was scrolling through this fairly long list, she got her account shut down. Now, let me be clear. She's using her iPad, her account, LinkedIn's app on the iPad, and absolutely no automation of any type. All she was doing was scrolling through and looking at these and writing down names of people that she wanted to talk with me about. That's all she was doing. And within about 10 or 15 minutes, her account gets shut down. I can't remember what caused the notice to come up, but she gets a notification that it was restricted because it appeared she was using automation. Fortunately, she had a link on there to contact LinkedIn, and she disputed the problem, got her account back, but she cannot view profiles and probably won't be able to view any profiles until the 24-hour temporary restriction is lifted. But the bottom line, the reason I'm sharing this with you is just to let you know that it appears that when you view these mini profiles, that they are considered a LinkedIn profile view. And I also discovered that by doing this, I had some of these people viewing my LinkedIn profile, and these are people I've never engaged with, never looked at before. So I believe it was because I viewed their profile that it was in a mini profile, but it was still considered a LinkedIn profile view, and thus they went and looked at my profile. Something worth paying attention to. I'll get the final word from LinkedIn, and I'll let everyone know once I hear. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this all makes sense eventually.